go back to, oh, we haven't been there yet. Fancy you haven't been to Singapore yet, this show. Let's do that and join up with my good friend Lloyd, who's going to talk all about the indexes on the major currencies. G'day, buddy. How's it going?
Hi, Geoff. Well, it's been a rather rough week for me. Not that the market has been unkind to me, but rather rough.
That happens.
Yeah, should happen. I think it's time that it happens since that has been a pretty good roll. But taking all in my stride and see, I think when rough time comes, if we can sit through it, that's where they patiently wait for the good times to come. Yeah, that's about it. So with that, all right. So last week I tried to trade dollar cat. The setup didn't happen for me. So in fact, dollar I was speculating that it might be on at a high of a range. Yeah, unfortunately, when this happens, it was on Friday and it was really near Jackson's symposium, so I didn't really actually took it. Same for Euro Swiss, I didn't really have a credible setup throughout the week, so there was no go for either of these two setup for me. So coming this week, yeah, since like price still refused to break the horizontal level, so for the Euro Index, seems like it has positioned itself on a pretty good level to actually allow us to trade it to the high side. Yeah, so as that, I'm pretty bullish about Euro, so we shall see what comes up the next week. Yeah, what setup that we have. British pound, pretty similar state as in Euro. Yeah, so it doesn't. I mean, seems like it has a false break from last week, and now it has recovered. Yeah, so now, but comparatively, I'm still much more bullish on Euro compared to pound because the range on Euro is actually wider. Yeah, so it will make it easier for us to actually range trade compared to the British pound. Now, the Japanese yen, I don't see this as in a range, nor neither is it a trend. It's really in the middle of nowhere, so I'm still probably not going to be very interested in touching it. Now, the Aussie Index is pretty interesting. You can see that price actually broke horizontal level, consolidate, broke, and possibly it has come up to test a near-term horizontal level. Yeah. So on Monday, what I'm going to observe is that whether it will actually rally a bit more, hit 74, and then get rejected down. Yeah. So I'm going to observe this more on Monday and see how it turns out. Now CXY has the same outlook as Aussie Index. Yeah. But I'm not very confident in trading CXY simply because of this level. Yeah. I don't have enough space to actually trade to the high side or to the low side. Yeah. As such, I'm going to keep out of trading the Canadian index. Yeah, just going to upgrade this. Now the Swiss, very nice ride. You can see that price is probably still hugging at about 110. So I'm pretty keen to see if by Monday or Tuesday I would get a strong reversal price action at this level to see if it price continue plunging. Now Kiwi, you can see that it has a very, very gradual drop. Yeah. But at the same time, on a wider outlook, you can see that price is actually hugging. Yeah. So on coming Monday and Tuesday, again, I'm very interested to see if price at $70 will work its magic and continue its merry way down. And the last on my list is actually DXY, which is the complete opposite of the Euro Index. The price has been keeping at this level for quite some time, and seems like it's quite reluctant to break out of 93. Yeah, so for the upcoming week ahead, I'm going to see if price will actually continue on its merry way down all the way to 90. Yeah, as such, for this coming week ahead, what I have on my list is actually trading Euro USD, the same old pair, and see if price actually breaks this level. You can see that this is a very, very significant high. So just waiting for any chance to see if price will give me a break and retest, and I'll be happy to trade it to the high side. And the opposite will be Pound Kiwi. Now this is more of a reversal trade. You can see that actually price is very much contained in the range. Yeah, since pound, as I've just now presented, is also the pound index is in a range, then it makes sense to see if Pound Kiwi will actually have a bounce off this level. Yeah, so the Euro USD and Pound Kiwi will be what I'll be keenly observing for the coming week ahead. Probably I'll be skipping to trade on Monday just to let the market settle down after the Jackson Hole Symposium to see if there's any surprises built in, just to avoid any built-in surprises.
Lloyd, I think I'll be with you on that score, mate. That sounds like a very wise thing. I've got a funny feeling that we'll see a few gaps in the market tomorrow as a result of that. And I agree with you. I'd like to see a bit of price action before we actually get into the week's trading. All done, mate.
Yep, all done for me.
Thank you so much. We'll catch up with you on Trading Buddies tomorrow and Tuesday. And then, of course, Ash and I back on Wednesday, yeah?
Yep, looking forward.
Looking forward to the break, I'm sure you are.